loves, today I have a Culturefly unboxing. It's one of the Harry Potter boxes that I probably mentioned in a video that was like a while ago, and my parents somehow found both of the missing boxes that I needed for my birthday, and I was super stoked. So yes guys, I never even opened this box, well the other one too, but that's gonna be a separate video until I show it to you guys. That's how dedicated I am, and I just can't believe I'm so dedicated because I am not patient. So I don't know how I was able to wait to like still open this box, and it's a box that I have been looking for over a year now. I also have my Starbucks with me. That's very good. It is a very poopy, gloomy, rainy day today. It's really chilly, so I'm wearing my Harry Potter sweatshirt from Target. And I don't know if they still have it though, I'm not sure. But let's cut all this chit chat and get to the unboxing video. This is a big box. I'm so excited. And let's see. I don't know what's inside. I want to show you guys a sneak peek first. I didn't even look in this box. I did take the plastic off camera though, so I don't have to struggle and do that on camera. So let's see. I hope you guys can see that properly. I don't know. We'll see when I edit this footage if it came out properly. Oh my god. Whoa. What even? There are really cute Quidditch socks in here. This will make a really cute Instagram photo. Not to mention these are really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. So cute. And then we have a coaster set. Okay, so I don't know how much coasters are. How many are in here? Can't speak properly today. Oh, this is awesome. So we have, are they magnetic? No, they're just stuck together. See? I'm always struggling on camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a Gryffindor one, a Slytherin one, a Ravenclaw, and a Hufflepuff. These coasters are so gorgeous. I have Harry Potter coasters already. So I kind of put them on my shelves because what had happened was I put them in my living room, and I mean coasters are obviously for use, and my family and I were using them and they started to get like dingy marks on them and stuff, and I'm like no, I don't want my merch ruined, so I took them away and I put them on my shelves instead because I don't know, I'm weird like that guys. And oh my gosh, look at this print. Oh man, so look cute on my shelves, except I don't have any room on my shelves. But I'm going to have to hang this on my wall somewhere, wherever I have wall space too, because I'm even out of wall space. But like, this is so cute. I'm obsessed. This is gorgeous. I love this so much. I cannot get over it. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, it smells like the box. And there is a mug in here. Hopefully it's not broken. That would be terrible. Let's see. Gonna struggle here. You know what? We're gonna do this. We're gonna throw this on the floor. Another mug to add to my collection. This is a stunning mug. Oh my god. It says Wizarding World on the bottom. Built by Culturefly. And look at this. It's a stunner. I just cannot. It's the perfect size too, because I don't really use the really big mugs. I do have quite a few big Harry Potter mugs, but kind of only use the small ones. But I'm mostly a fan of iced coffee, so I don't really drink that much hot coffee, it depends. And last but not least, the golden snitch. What is this? I don't know. Well, it's like some kind of figure for your shelf, and it is so beautiful. This is stunning, guys. I'm actually blown away by this box. Like, let's see if I can open this properly. Oh my god. It's beautiful. This is so going on my shelves. Oh my. Just throwing all my trash on the ground. Don't mind me. Look at this. This is so cute. Do you know how many golden snitches I have? I have so many. Like, I think that there's some behind me. There's like 2 over here. I think there's some more, but I don't know. I lost count. But This one's really cute too, and it would definitely make a great display on my shelf somewhere else. I mean, I guess I could just mix it up a bit, but this is super cute. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads of mine. Leave some comments down below and let me know your thoughts on this box. Obviously it was a birthday present and I really loved it. So would you guys buy this box? I know some people are picky about the boxes and the merch and stuff like that, so let me know. And I do not know how much this was. Like I said, it was a birthday present. I think they do range from 20 bucks though, because the first one I ever bought was like $19.88 at Walmart. So I'm guessing maybe these are around the same price range. I'm not sure though. You might want to look it up. So like I said, let me know down below what are your thoughts on this box. What was your favorite thing in this box? And do you guys think that you will be purchasing it? And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah. I can feel your